Laundry, I mean 24 hours, buti 24 hours yung sa laundry place namin. So I can just laundry. But yeah, assignment. Sobrang boring na sa condo ko.
And then here, and then we kiss, and then we go. Hi guys, that is it for my live. Hello is gonna go live today. She's gonna go live 11 p.m. So sad and slow, I can't write another radio. Kasi didululo nga kayo. It's March 15, because since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. Sitting there tonight, trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Please, just cut it out.
Umpisa pa lang.
Char.
Gusto ko yung pagbaba. Hindi na ganun sila, parang nag-spread out sila.
Actually, medyo madumi pa kami dito. This could be good, it's already better than that. Ay! Ate Nemra, this is my baby na. Pero hindi ko ma-figure out paano siya, like, mag-stay. Kasi lagi siyang humihiga pag nalilina ko. Paano siya? Hindi ko pa na-figure out. I'm so sorry.
I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. You always grab me, champagne confetti. I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. If you'll let me, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. You always grab me, champagne confetti. Grab me.
You're ready. Dun, dun, dun. And if you make me, I wanna see. Thank you, Tita Bloom. Hindi ko maseryoso sa sarili ko pag nakaganito ako. Wait lang. Let's be serious. Sabi ko, shocks kaya ba ng grades ko to? Kasi never ako naging serious sa ACADS ko. So, nung na-realize ko na
Di kayang haba masyadong magloyo ko na. Mag-business na lang ako, sabi ko kasi. Tapos nung lumipat ako dito, dun na parang nag-shift yung ko na gusto ko mag-psychology. Okay. ASMR. Charot lang, may music. Sa Bicol ba ako magsa-celebrate ng birthday ko? No. I have to be here kasi may schedule ko na. Pero maganda yung nilalabasan ng maganda naman. Part na yun. Hi to MJ. Hi to Laura. Dito na. The X is just fitting me.
Oo nga, yan nga din.
I wanna have you beside me like gold. On the 25 flight of fabric, but I don't want your broken heart. This year I got to resign. Cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around, and I'm trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Like it's always blasting out. I got it every day. You can get whatever you need from me. So you say you'll never leave, and I ain't going away 'cause you're working. Don't you worry, baby, you got me.
Send campaign stickers. Thank you po, Candy. Thank you, Kanji. Thank you, Denise Kaya. Wala. Really good. Okay. Ganito. Make me happy. Grabe, why? Taas ng energy natin tonight. Strand test. Aba, kaya nag-block agad. Hindi naman nag-block. Saan yung block dito? Tapos hindi ko na muna kukulayan yung kilay ko. Kasi it's still contacts na may grado. Kasi, I don't know, ever since I got my sore eyes, like my eyes just got, like, lumabo siya, like, no joke. So, bumili ako ng contacts na may grado na. And, mababa lang naman grado ko. And, like, it's...
Beach house in Miami. Wake up with no dress. Never to the be fancy. Open up, say, come here, baby, this is one of your parts. On the match, hitting on a cha-cha style. I make Mondays feel like weekends. Make him never feel like cheating. Got you people working me. Fuck it, let's sleep in. Yes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second. Night after night, I'll be loving you for 7 days a week. You know my nights are praying. All of me, I'm a fire. So you
Riding, living up in the city. Got tux on my saber. I'ma kiss myself so pretty. Betty pala. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot, hot damn. Drag it on a retirement. I'm too hot. Say my name. Na-reels ka ni Stocks. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan. Tinahi ko lang to. Kasi I was like, it's too long. It was until here. Eh, matatapan yung boots ko. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna tahik it. Asa man nanahe.
Numbers talaga is madali lang siya.
Joke lang.
Kasi literal na may isang gigit na lang siya. Pero pag even numbers, ang hirap niya. No? So, napakaganda talaga ng ginawa ng BN dito. No? Talagang malalaro talaga. Kasi usually, pag even numbers yung mag-sacrifice, meron talaga nasa likod na matatakpan.
Joke lang ako.